Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos, we discussed the concept of motivation, the cycle of motivation and types of motivation. The links to those videos are provided in the description below. Now, in this video, we'll discuss Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This is the most popular theory of motivation and is a psychological theory that explains how humans are highly motivated to fulfill their needs, which are organized in a hierarchical order. Abraham Maslow introduced this theory in his paper, A Theory of Human Motivation, in 1943. And later refined it and published it in his book Motivation and Personality in 1954. As a humanist, Abraham Maslow believed that individuals have an inborn desire to self-actualize, to become the best version of themselves and achieve what they are capable of achieving, or to do what they want to do. However, to achieve this ultimate goal, they first need to fulfill several basic needs, such as the need for food, water, air, shelter, safety, love and belongingness, and self-esteem. According to Maslow, these needs play a major role in motivating a person's behavior. Motivation, according to Maslow, originates from or is triggered by these needs. We discussed this in our previous video, Cycle of Motivation also, where we saw that the process of motivation starts with a need. There is always a need that motivates us to engage in a goal-directed behavior. Individuals have endless desires and wants, so it is a challenging job to categorize and number these various needs. However, there are some needs that are essential for an individual's survival: physical and mental health, social well-being, and personality development. These essential needs are often referred to as basic needs. Maslow created a hierarchical structure for these needs. Hierarchy means arranging people or things in order of their level of importance. Maslow identified 5 stages of human needs that motivate our behavior. They are physiological, safety, love and belongingness, esteem, and self-actualization needs. Maslow explained which needs are superior to other within these 5 types of needs. In other words, among all these needs, which needs are the highest priority and which needs individuals want to satisfy first. According to Maslow, in the hierarchy of needs, the first needs that come are those necessary for our survival and the survival of our species. These include water, food, shelter, and sleep. These needs form the base and starting point of the hierarchical model. Initially, a person strives to satisfy these needs. If a person is hungry or thirsty, they will not be able to think about anything else until they arrange for food and water. Similarly, if a person has very little money, their first priority would be to ensure they have enough to eat and drink before thinking about anything else. Maslow placed these needs at the lowest level because they are the most basic needs that not only humans but also animals have. When these physiological needs are fulfilled, a person starts to feel comfortable, and then they move towards the next higher order of needs. After the physiological needs are satisfied, a person starts thinking about their physical, social, and psychological safety. They think about having a home to live in, where they can be safe from various dangers, job security to ensure a continuous arrangement for food and water, savings and insurance, a society with law and order, and a safe atmosphere to live in. These needs come at the second level. Only when their first level needs, that is physiological needs, are fulfilled, a person starts thinking about these safety needs. When this need is also fulfilled, he feels safe, and now he starts thinking about the next higher order of needs, which is the need for love and affection. He wants someone who will love him. He wants to stay connected to people. Any person, regardless of their gender, religion or caste, wants someone to love them, and they also want to love others. And there is a strong desire in them to be a part of a group, to be accepted and to feel a sense of belonging within the group. This is a socio-psychological need that is essential for the well-being of the individual and society. According to Maslow, until this need is fulfilled, a person cannot think about fulfilling the needs of the next higher level. So when he starts feeling, I belong to this place or this family or this group, then he thinks about the need for esteem, which is related to maintaining self-respect. Esteem needs are of two types: self-esteem and the desire for respect from others, which includes status and prestige. To fulfill this esteem need, a person wants to become strong, capable and competent. He wants to achieve success and fame. He wants recognition, which means he wants to establish his identity. For this, he wants to bring confidence within himself and become self-dependent and self-confident, so that he can become prestigious in his own and others' eyes and earn respect in the society. For an individual, having a good job title, that he is a principal or a manager or a general manager or any high position he has in whichever field he is in, not only earns him respect in his workplace but also elevates his status in the society. A good job title enhances their worth and importance among others. Those who achieve a good self-esteem and receive recognition from others develop confidence in their abilities and feel confident. At this level, the person will be motivated to work on these factors and their actions will be influenced by their self-esteem. In other words, the person will be motivated to work in a way that enhances their self-esteem and earn them respect from others. If we talk about students, a student who is motivated performs better academically as compared to the students who are less motivated. If a student achieves excellent academic results, they will receive recognition in both school and society, which will boost their confidence, respect and esteem. They will feel that now people know them. Those who have low self-esteem and do not receive respect from others develop an inferiority complex. Now, when lower 4 levels of needs are fulfilled, the 5th or top level needs come into play, which is the need for self-actualization. Satisfying these high level needs contribute to an individual's total development. Self-actualization means that a person can fully utilize their talents, capacities and potentials so that they can develop their individuality and leave their mark on others. If they accomplish this, it can be understood that they have self-actualized. Many musicians, choreographers, dancers, painters, poets, scientists, mathematicians and others have created something new and gained recognition in the world by using their talents, which means they have satisfied this top level need and achieved self-actualization. Through these needs, an individual can express what they have inside and can transform their internal self into an external self. When this need is satisfied, a person's life goals and objectives are achieved and they feel that now they are themselves or they are what they wanted to be and can say, now I'm me. To understand it well, we can say that When the first level, physiological needs are fulfilled, a person feels I'm comfortable. And when they fulfill the needs of the second level, they feel I'm safe. Then when they achieve the needs of the third level, they feel I belong. After achieving the needs of the fourth level, they feel I'm known. And if they also fulfill the needs of the fifth level or the top level, they feel now I'm me, meaning they have become who they wanted to be. Through this hierarchical structure of needs, Maslow emphasized that as a person grows and develops as a human being, they progress by satisfying these needs in the same order as provided in this structure. At any stage of life, an individual satisfies their needs in this order. We cannot expect someone who is hungry and has no food to shower love on others or think about building their status. Therefore, the satisfaction of lower order needs paves the way for the satisfaction of the higher order needs. The cycle of growth and development is not complete until the top level needs, that is, self-actualization needs, are satisfied. In this hierarchical structure, the four lower needs are called deficiency needs or D needs. And the top level need, self-actualization or self-realization, is a growth need or being need. What is the difference between these two needs? Actually, with the four lower needs, that is deficiency needs, when they are fulfilled, a person becomes satisfied and their motivation ends. For example, if we are hungry and we eat something, we will not be motivated to eat again. But if a person has these being needs within them, they want to grow as an individual and reach their highest potential. Just like when we play mobile games, after achieving success at one level, we play the next round, which is of a higher difficulty level. And after achieving success there, we play another round of an even higher difficulty level. Similarly, when we achieve something at this level, we want to make it even better and we want to know who am I, why I am here. People do many things to find out who they are and what they actually want to be. Even 2% of people cannot achieve this highest level. We can say that Albert Einstein, Abraham Lincoln and Mahatma Gandhi were among those rare people who achieved self-actualization. Maslow's hierarchy of needs fits most people, but there are also exceptional cases where individuals focus on satisfying higher order needs without paying attention to lower order needs. Many saints, national heroes, martyrs, inventors and discoverers, poets, writers and composers, if you read their biographies, you will find that some individuals can reach the top level without worrying much about fulfilling lower order needs. Now there is something else that you should know, that in 1970 Maslow upgraded his model by including cognitive and aesthetic needs in it. And just before his death, he added another dimension to his hierarchy called self-transcendence. He placed this need above self-actualization. We'll talk about them another time. For now, that's all. I hope you understood this topic well. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. And yes, be sure to press the bell icon so that you receive notifications for my new videos. See you soon in my next video with a new topic. Until then, goodbye and thanks for watching.